Hey guys, so it's me and Deannie Jones. I'm back again, and I thought it would be fun to learn how to make some cake pops because I always like cake pops, and my son Luke loves to eat them.
Oh,
What's the matter? You ate a prop. You're hungry? It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. All right, so yeah, come here. Now you're gonna help me make these cake pops. You're not gonna eat that. Okay, we're gonna keep rolling. But are you joking? Here, have some of my water. Here's some of my water. You know, I don't know what it is with baking segments and me, but it just doesn't seem to work out right. But anyway, we're gonna continue here. So now you're gonna help me make a cake pop because this was supposed to be for the camera, and now look what you did to it. You like ate the whole thing. Anyway, on we go. So how do we make a cake pop? And I'm sure a lot of people out there already know, and they probably know how to do it better, but this is how I make cake pops. Believe it or not, I think this is the first time we actually make cake. Get in here, get into the camera. Get into the camera. So everybody knows my son Luke. He was in my first video, and it's been a while since he's been on video with me, and as you can see, he's grown. He's gruesome. No, I need that one. Hold on, my goodness, great. Well, no, yeah, I need that one. Anyway, so here, Luke's gonna help. Did you wash your hands?
No.
Go wash your hands. First thing you gotta do is wash your hands, people, especially when you're making cake pops, because if not, it's pretty disgusting. So now that we have clean hands, mine have a little bit of blue tint from the last segment, but it's just the blue food coloring. So go ahead, we got Funfetti. The Funfetti cake is the important cake, especially when you're, running away from zombies like that girl did when she was like under Novocaine, and they asked her which kind of cake to take. She took Funfetti. So that's what we're taking. So go ahead, just grab a piece of cake, go like this. And just tear it to shreds and put it in here. No, put it in here. Here.
That's what I'm doing.
Okay, put it in there, like little shreds. Just shred up the cupcake, the cake.
More?
Yeah, if you want. Well, I mean, no, that's good. Here, mush that up. I'm gonna start adding things. So what a lot of people do is they just add come here. They just add frosting. And just straight frosting, it makes it too sweet. So what I do is I get softened cream cheese. Mush that up. And a little bit of frosting. So it's not overly sweet because you're gonna have it covered in white chocolate, which is also, dark chocolate or whatever chocolate you want, but I like white chocolate. I think it's gonna need more cake, a little more cake. But, I never measure anything, it's whatever I think it looks good. So you make it into like a dough. Anyway, you make it into like a dough kind of thing. And then you get one of these little things. So go ahead, start like spooning out some balls. Sorry, I always end up talking about balls somehow. Well, we need a little more. I like them bigger. I know, I'm sorry. It's my child, he's used to it. And you just you pack your ball together. Your cake pop, whatever. See, and you make it like a nice little, there you go. Like you're making like little meatballs. Don't throw it at each other. You just take turns. This is a nice way to spend a rainy, cloudy afternoon, making cake balls, and you can do it for the bake sale. What?
I'm just thinking of I don't know, I was thinking of what to say, and it was like, it looks like a leprechaun had a seizure.
It looks like a leprechaun had a seizure?
Because they make rainbows.
Oh, and it's got rainbow funfetti in it, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that does look kind of nasty there. So anyway, here, you want to make one more ball?
That's a big one.
That's a big ball. Anyway, you make your balls, you stick them in the freezer until they're firm, because you don't want to work with soft balls. I'm sorry, he's 14, it's okay. We talk about things like this all the time. And then you stick them, so then this is the next thing you're gonna do. You're gonna get a stick. Here, Luke, you're gonna do this part. So I'm gonna take the stick, and here I have melted, put it towards the front, So in here, I'm burning myself. I have some melted white chocolate, and you melt it over a double boiler, which just means you melt it over a pot with water in it. And you stick the stick like this in the white chocolate, and then you stick the stick into the ball without cracking the ball too much. There you go. And then you put this back in the freezer. So here, you do one. All right, take that, take the ball. Gently, jamming it gently, gently. Okay, there you go. Perfect. So it cracked a little bit. We're fixing that. Fix it, fix it. So and then here, and then you stick that back into the freezer with the stick and the white chocolate. So I'm trying to find, okay, so this one's like, the chocolate is nice and firm. So I know it's not gonna fall apart when I stick it in there. Now watch. Here, you hold that. I'm gonna make some space here for that one. And so what you're gonna do is dip it in the white chocolate. Now, as you saw over here, I put 2 little M&Ms to make them look like Mickey ears. You know, you can decorate it, yeah. No, don't put it in for too long. Swirl it. Okay, that's good. There you go, look at it. Now it looks all pretty, look at that. Look at that, that looks pretty good enough to eat, maybe. And then if it's like really ugly, if it's really ugly, you know, like in life, if it's really ugly, you cover it in you know, sprinkles or glitter. So in this case, we're gonna use sprinkles. I need another spoon. So we're just gonna cover it in sprinkles so you don't see all the bumps and bruises and stuff. There we go. Look, there we go. Look how pretty it looks now. See, you picked the one with the sprinkles because it looked prettier, right? And there you have it. And there, and I'm afraid it's gonna fall, and it's gonna fall, and it's not. Don't fall, don't fall. Then you stick it in the freezer again so it firms up. But there you have it. There's your cake pop that you can make at home instead of spending like $4 at the store for, or you know, at Disney. And oh my goodness. And that's it. We're gonna, I think we're done with this segment. Stop it.
No, I'm having fun.
You're having fun. Anyway, so this is something to have fun with your kids. And anyway, I wanted to thank my boy, come here, my boy, my baby Luke, who's getting so big. And yeah, so this was fun. Something fun to do for Mother's Day together, okay? And you kids, you can do something like this, fun for mom, and surprise her on Mother's Day breakfast, I guess. All right? Anyway, sorry guys, just had to take a bite of my ball. Anyway, just wanted to thank you guys for joining me for this indie quickie. I know I'm not in character, but I kind of am because I am Indiana Jones, and that is a character in of itself. And remember, every day is an adventure, so make it fun and make it fabulous with a craft or something that you can make that's cooking, that's creative, and just have fun with it, guys. Don't worry about being perfect. And I'll see you soon, okay? We're gonna prepare for maybe a Mother's Day episode or a Father's Day episode. I don't know. It just comes to me whenever, like in the middle of the night at 3 o'clock in the morning, I think, hey, let's do this. So keep your eyes open for our next segment. And thank you again for watching, sharing, subscribing, liking, and get the word out. I would love to have 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year, or even earlier. How about before Halloween, so I can make some really fabulous Halloween episodes? How's that? Anyway, see you soon, guys. Thanks again. Bye.